Tony G, hike and seeker at the Margaret River mouth today, on my way to Redgate beach. That's a hike of about 13 kilometres and it's bloody cold at the moment, early in the morning, so I'm going to start going. You can see the Margaret River down there as it winds its way down towards the ocean. As you saw first up, it's dry at where it hits the beach at the moment, but in the winter it's very difficult to cross, and there's an alternative route so you don't have to cross the river in the winter. Okay, we've just come up off the road. Now we're starting off on the track proper. That's probably about the highest point we've been today. You can see it's really open countryside down there. Cave road is down that direction somewhere. We're going down this way and you can just see the ocean. The first glimpse of the ocean today, apart from at Margaret River. And we're going down now. That you can see up there, if I got the pronunciation right, is Boodjidup Creek. We're going to follow that down to the ocean. Yeah, I'm glad I'm going down today. I don't feel like doing much climbing, but there'll be a fair bit of climbing coming up back the other way. Yep, still going down. That's Devil's Pool down there, I think. I think that's the name. I'm going to run that way. That's the Frank Moritz Bridge. Obviously this time of the year the creek's really dry. It runs down to the ocean just over that ridge there. The track's opened up now. Pretty soon we'll be down on the beach proper, and there's a bit of a reasonable beach walk today down to Redgate car park where my car's parked today. Yeah, that gives you a better idea of that dry creek bed from where I was up at that green pool. That's basically the source of it. As you can see, it's not going anywhere near the ocean at the moment. Quite a walk on the beach today. Come from down that way. Heading down this way. Got to keep up on this high bank, because some of the waves break right up here, so can't walk any lower down. Coming in towards Redgate Beach car park now, where my car is. Not too much farther. Yeah, I reckon it must have been about 2 to 3k beach walk. Very soft sand. And as I say, you got to watch those waves too. You got to keep really high up on the beach. Anyway, made it through. Right, Tony G, Hike and Seeker, just below the car park at Redgate Beach. It's going to go up to my car. Yeah, it's been getting pretty warm. I must have been a 2 or 3k beach walk as well. So yeah, anyway, I'm here. Okay, Tony G, Hike and Seeker, signing out, and hope to catch you on the next one. Bye for now.